Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Tutorial Pro 69 here, and I'm gonna teach you how to clean video game discs. Now, we all know that everything bad is caused by bacteria. So, to get rid of the bacteria in the disc, first you wanna take a sponge and rub it. Yeah, rub it. Don't rub it way too. Rub it just a bit. There we go. Okay, so rinse off the soap with it. Yep, yeah, that's good. So put some dishwasher on it, cause that kills germs. Okay, but this is only the first step because we're only cleaning the surface germs. Do you understand? You understand. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we can take the disc and let it dry for about an hour, and then you're gonna want to take it off the disc and put alcohol on it because alcohol kills germs. Now, no. This is very important. You cannot skip this step. You have to put salt on it because salt kills bacteria and germs 99%. And then put black pepper because black pepper is the same as salt. And you're gonna wanna wipe it. Wipe it good. Yeah. Wipe it real good. Wipe it real good. So okay, so now you're wiping it good. I'm gonna rinse it off because the bacteria was trapped in the salt. Because the salt and the black pepper made it sticky, and now the bacteria is gone. But that's not all. That's 50. That's only 40% of the bacteria. So you're gonna wanna take oregano. I'll tell you the reason why later. But here, take oregano. Get some. Get some lemon pepper. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Alrighty then. Then you're gonna want to take some Cajun, the most important step. And the reason you want to do this is because the bacteria that's deep inside within the codes of the disc will come out onto the herbs and spices. So now all the bacteria's on the herbs and spices. You pour the alcohol on it to kill it all. Now you want to wipe it good. Wipe it real good. Wipe it real good to get rid of all the bacteria. Rinse it too. Rinse it because that's extra reinforcement. Understood? Okay, so now we're gonna want to put a lot of lotion because it moistens the surface and it moistens all the damage that was done. Okay, so you want to rub it, lather it all up, lather it all up. Yan. So spray it with perfume. Okay, now this is gonna be one of the tricky steps. You're gonna get a water. You're gonna wanna dip it in the water because this gives it time to soak in all the lotiony goodness, and to protect it from more bacteria. You're gonna wanna put some more salt and black pepper. Put in the black pepper first, then put in the salt. Okay, so that'll stop bacteria from coming in. So you're gonna wanna put this in the freezer because once it freezes, all the bacteria is dead because it's cold. Got it? So once you took it out after about 3 hours and you thaw it out, you're gonna wanna encase it in paper towel because that's going to dry it. And now this is the technique here. This is called scrubbing. This is scrubbing away all the dust because you're vigorously rubbing it. That gets rid of all the dust particles and molecules on the disc. Okay, so that's what you're gonna want to do. Do this really good. So now that it's done and the disc is all clean, you're gonna want to put it in here. Okay. Okay. Put it in the PS3. This only works for PS3, by the way, because the Power Magic coating on other consoles is different. So rub it real good, just as the final reinforcement to destroy all germs and bacteria and viruses and nanoviruses that were in the disc. Okay, so now you start it up. Boot it up. Just wait a bit. Okay, going over to my user. Okay, my game. Starting it up. There we go. No. There. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Just give it a second. Yeah. Oh, yes. It's gonna work. I bought this game for $59, guys, and yes, I'm so excited for it to work again. See, I discovered this way of cleaning your disk all by myself because I'm a very intelligent person, like really, really smart, and I'm just so smart. You should like, I'm so fucking smart. Okay, what?